This one seed from the world's largest fruit, planted right here in your backyard, grows into something almost unbelievable. Extract jackfruit seeds and plant within days. These seeds lose their power fast. Freshness is everything here. 1 inch deep in the richest soil you can build, jackfruit roots go deep and wide from the very first day. Day 5, jackfruit doesn't wait. That seed is already cracking open with more energy than almost any tropical tree. Day 21, and these first true leaves are unlike anything else in the backyard. Jackfruit grows on its own terms. Day 90, 3 months in, and this backyard is already home to a genuine tropical tree. There is no going back now. Month 10, growing faster than anyone expected, this backyard jackfruit tree is building something legendary. Years from now, this exact tree will carry the world's largest fruit, and this one tip gets you there faster.